As has been stated so frequently, managing silos is a puzzle you can solve, and silos exist everywhere. One of the areas is construction. In construction, approaching silo management holistically means viewing each team, process, and tool as interconnected pieces of a larger puzzle. This mindset emphasizes that no single part, be it design, engineering, or project management, holds greater importance than the overall project's success and needs. A holistic approach ensures that every piece functions in harmony with the collective aim of completing the project effectively, efficiently, and safely. So let's talk a little bit about some of the challenges that might be seen in these silos in construction. Organizational silos in construction create a fractured landscape where each group, architects, engineers, subcontractors, suppliers, and more, often work independently, leading to issues with communication, coordination, and adaptability. For example, miscommunication as one of the challenges can result in construction delays, increase in project costs, or even safety issues as teams may not be aware of the changes that are made by others. Another one is delayed decision-making, which often arises when approvals must pass through multiple isolated groups, slowing down timelines. That in itself can also increase cost. Duplicated efforts may happen as teams replicate tasks or procure materials separately, wasting time and resources, and again, cost. Reduce flexibility in adopting new techniques or tools as each team operates within its established practices. So a key question that comes about is, how do we recognize the signs of existing silos? Silos often become apparent through 1. Missed deadlines and repeated mistake, which suggest a lack of cohesive project management or oversight. 2. Minimal cross-team interaction. If teams only interact at formal checkpoints or rarely collaborate outside their own areas, it is a sign of siloed behavior. And finally, 3. Inconsistent standards or quality control across phases of the project, indicating that teams are not aligned on shared goals or quality benchmarks. I have often stated that there are 6 areas that need to be taken into account when trying to break down or manage these silos and embrace a holistic approach to overcoming them. So to solve these problems of managing these silos, each team and function must contribute as part of a greater interconnected whole. So let's start with number 1, cross-functionality. Building versatile skills within teams encourages adaptability. For instance, if architects have a basic understanding of construction processes, they can design structures that accommodate real-world constraints, thus reducing friction with engineers and builders. 2. Knowledge sharing. Holistic project management requires open channels for information exchange, regular meetings, integrated project management software, and shared resources ensure everyone is updated, aligned, and can adjust their work to complement others. 3. Cross-pollination. Different perspectives and experiences enrich projects. Inviting input from teams with varied expertise, say from commercial building specialists on a residential project, fosters innovative solutions and avoids tunnel vision. 4. Interoperability. Seamless tools and systems allow teams to work in sync. Choosing project management platforms that everyone can access and update in real time brings transparency and prevents technical or process-related silos. 5. Standardization. Consistent processes and quality benchmarks keep every team focused on the same end goal, minimizing misunderstandings and creating a streamlined workflow from planning through completion. Accountability. Very important. When each team recognizes its responsibility and the impact of its work on the entire project, silos naturally diminish. Clear accountability fosters a culture of ownership where everyone feels invested in the final outcome, not just their section. If silos go unmanaged, the entire project is at risk. Escalating costs from rework, extended timelines, compromised quality, and safety concerns can all threaten the success of a construction project and the cost. In a worst-case scenario, a disjointed approach can lead to project failure, as crucial pieces of the puzzle fail to fit together. Managing organizational silos is indeed a puzzle you can solve. Taking a holistic approach empowers teams to work as one unified entity, with each piece fitting seamlessly with the next. By aligning goals, fostering collaboration, and emphasizing the value of every role, you build a stronger, more adaptable foundation, not just for the current project, but for a more resilient construction process overall and any future projects. Thank you for listening.